Hi, I'm Sharon. I just want to say, being an old mum, being involved in parents group and People First, how much has helped me. I really enjoy the company and feel more relaxed myself. And I've learned so much from them. Like being an older mum, I've got grown-up children. I didn't have any support in the past.
Hello, my name's Ian and I'm a member of the Barry Parents Group. I heard about it from a friend of ours called Amanda. I come here with my wife Tina and my little daughter Lydia. If it wasn't for the Parents Group, we wouldn't have a home to speak of, really. We probably would have had to go, I don't know, to be homeless for a while, because the leader of the group, a little lady called Liz, helped us out, put us in contact with Can Do Letting, and a friend came in there and got us a new house, which we live there now. And any problems that we have, we come and speak to Liz and she'll sort it out, no problem. And it's a great outlet for anyone who's got difficulties looking after children, or people who are having problems with disabilities or housing benefits, and it's an outlet for everything